Hello friends! Are you looking to bring some greenery into your home? Here are 10 easy-to-grow indoor plants and flowers. First up, the spider plant. It's low maintenance, thrives in indirect light, and only needs moderate watering. Perfect for beginners. Next, the pothos. Known for its resilience, it grows well in low to bright indirect light and can handle some neglect. Let the soil dry out between waterings. The snake plant is another great choice. Can tolerate low to bright light and requires infrequent watering. A true survivor. Add some elegance with the peace lily. It prefers low to medium indirect light and needs the soil to be kept moist but not waterlogged. The ZZ plant is extremely hardy and perfect for low light conditions. It's drought tolerant, so water it sparingly. Aloe vera not only looks great, but also has medicinal uses. It thrives in bright, indirect light and needs its soil to dry out between waterings. The philodendron is easy to grow with minimal requirements. It does well in low to bright indirect light and needs watering when the top inch of soil is dry. True to its name, the cast iron plant is tough. It tolerates low light and neglect, needing moderate watering with dry periods in between. The jade plant is a long-lived succulent that prefers bright, indirect light. Water it when the soil is dry and avoid overwatering. Finally, the African violet. It can bloom year-round with bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. Water from the bottom to keep its leaves healthy. These plants are perfect for adding a touch of nature to your home with minimal effort. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching and please subscribe and like this video.